Welcome to nfcard tutorial. Be the first to log in from here. After the login process, you have to fill in some important business information to create this card. Welcome to the panel of your nfcard. Let's start. The very first step, first upload your square photo here. Then add your name, company name, or tagline, or your job title. Add email, personal or business, from here. Similarly, mobile number. You can also add an alternative number. Don't forget to give them the title, whether the number is work or personal. You can write about yourself. How is your experience? What is your skill? You can also write your own story. Then WhatsApp number. There are also two choices, personal and business. You can link your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, or website here. Then write the address of the home, office, or company. Then you can also add birth date, anniversary, company start date. If you want to place an action button, you can also set it from here, such as view more, download, our brochure, book appointment, visit now, call now, book now, and order now. And last but not least, if you want to show the count of how many times your profile has been viewed, you can also choose show or hide. Don't forget to click on Save Change button. After all the data is submitted, you can choose the theme of your choice from here, and choose any color you like. Hey, congratulations! You've created a card just in few minutes. You can now view your card by clicking on the button below. Once again, be careful, don't forget to save recent updates by clicking on the Save button. Thank you.